Destroying Animals and Their Habitats by Nicole Wirt. Introduction. Humans are destroying animals' habitats and putting the animals' lives in danger. Can you imagine having your family, house, or food taken away from you for no reason? A habitat is defined by Dictionary.com as the natural environment of an organism, place that is natural for the life and growth of an organism. The term typically refers to the zone in which the organism lives and where it can find food, shelter, protection, and mates for reproduction. It is the natural environment in which an organism lives, or the physical environment that surrounds a species population. Deforestation. We are removing plants and trees that animals rely on. By doing this, we are completely changing their landscape. An example of this is mass deforestation. 33 million acres of forest land are lost annually around the globe due to this. Getting wood, paper, mining and oiling, construction, wildfires, and creating land for crops and livestock are some of the reasons why. What we can do about deforestation. The number one thing we can do is to plant more trees. We can go paperless wherever possible. We can recycle as much as you can and by recycling products. When you go shopping, bring your own bags from home instead of using their paper or plastic bags. When you're eating meat, make sure that you're buying organic. Read the label so you know what you're buying. What we can do about deforestation continued. Pay attention to what oil you use and buy. Every hour, an area the size of 300 football fields is cleared of the rainforest to get palm oil. The majority of the harvesting is done in an unsustainable way. Do research and only buy from companies that do the least harm to the environment. You can find out how sustainable they are and about how they affect animals' habitats. Preserve natural resources and learn to use them in a way that doesn't require destruction of habitats. Endangering animals' lives. An endangered species is defined as a species of plant or animal whose population is at a critical level that if it continues could lead to that species becoming extinct. Populations of humans influences this. The more populated we become, the more land, homes, and food we need. This is called urbanization. Another thing we do is pollution. We are releasing huge amounts of toxic waste, which affects air, land, and water. We are also taking away land for agricultural reasons. This leads to deforestation, but also the loss of water and aquatic life as well, with pesticides and fertilizers. Grazing livestock also takes away from the animals' food resources. The introduction of species and plants in the places that are not their natural habitat can cause death to animals and plants. Overhunting and fishing are making animals become endangered or extinct at a higher rate all the time. Some animals that have become extinct due to overhunting are the dodo, passenger pigeon, great auk, and Steller sea cow. Whaling for meat and oil has endangered most of the baleen whale species and some toothed whales almost into extinction. Hunters have also started hunting large predators and trophy animals. Almost all large predators whose former range has been developed by humans have become endangered. In conclusion, humans are causing animals and their habitats to become endangered or extinct. We are doing this through deforestation, destroying their habitats, depleting natural resources, and hunting. We need to make changes in order to help fix this, including planting trees, buying sustainable items, and hunting sustainably. This is my works cited page.